the Gobbler Cobbler.
Oh, the Gobbler Cobbler.
It's not really a cobbler, but I like the name of that.
It tastes like a cobbler because there's apples or cranberries or something?
I don't know, something like that. Anyway, so it's basically vodka, apple, and cranberry. So we're going to start out with a couple of ounces of vodka. Whatever you have sweet, you always want to have sour. So I have some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Cranberry juice, because, you know, it is Thanksgiving and all.
Thanksgiving and all.
I have cranberries. And then I made not only simple syrup, I made cinnamon simple syrup. So basically I took simple syrup, I've said a million times, half water, half sugar, heat it up till the sugar dissolves, and then you can keep it in a little squeezy thing in the fridge. Okay, so I made simple syrup, but this I put a bunch of cinnamon sticks in when I heated up the sugar in the water, let it steep, let it sit there until it cooled down. Then you take the sticks out and you have, tastes like that gum, you know, what's that cinnamon gum?
Big Red.
That one. Anyway, we're going to put a little bit of that in to balance out the tartness of the lemon juice. And then we're going to shake it with some ice. Look at me shaking in our new house. I haven't done this.
We don't know where
about
anything
2 years.
is. We've been so grumpy all day. We can't find an outlet. We don't know what drawer anything's in. Man, I don't know where to find the toilet paper, to tell you the truth.
So then we're gonna top that off with you're using regular cider. I'm using hard cider.
Yes.
Give it a little.
Well, because that's a cocktail, honey.
Yeah, give it a little bubbly, refreshing flobbity floop.
Flobbity floop.
Yeah. And there you have the Gobbler Cobbler. Well, I'm gonna try this drink, see if it's any good. Oh, this is good. You're gonna like this. Try your Cobbler Gobbler.
Oh my God, thank you.
Cheers.